Well, hello friends and fans, Braden here, and I have something special for you today. Today, we got upcoming Metrobus XD40 New Flyer Xcelsior 4456 at the Washington Auto Show. This bus is brand new, it just came in about a week ago, and they're using it at the Washington Auto Show. So without further ado, let's take a bit of a walk around.
Yep. So let's try exactly.
So this is one of the new buses that has the multicolored sign, so it's not strictly orange or white anymore. It can change colors, which is pretty cool. It's got the new LED headlights and a new bike rack, of course. Side profile, you may notice it's got a shorter roof line because it doesn't need all that additional hybrid technology since this is a clean diesel bus. Number 4456 with the American flag on top, of course. It's got different seating, new and improved, and they've brought the rear window back as well, which we're going to go see right now. These buses are expected to replace the former Orion 5 buses that run from Shepherd Parkway and Montgomery Division. These particular ones will be at Montgomery Division, I've heard from a few bus drivers. So that was a bit of an exterior tour. Yes, that is an XD40. Now we're going to do an interior tour of it. Right here you have the driver's compartment with the safety shield. Fare box is right there. New interior with different seats compared to the most recent orders of XD40s. Yeah, there's Jake also getting a vid.
Yeah, the announcements on the new Metro buses have a female that's more exclusive and nice.
Yeah. One weird feature I've noticed about these new buses, and they're on the 2018s as well, is they have a security camera TV that is huge. You can see what you can see on the security cameras on this monitor.
Yeah, that could be what they would use for airport shuttle buses, the new
Yeah,
ones.
they'd probably use it on those too, but all the most recent Metro buses have these.
Yeah.
And like I mentioned earlier, they brought back the rear window on these buses. The previous order of XDE40s didn't have these, but now they're back.
Yep. Now they're back in the group.
Yep. And you got kids chilling in the back, as usual. Probably won't find that on Metro, unfortunately. And I think we're going to wrap up this tour up. That was a first look at future new Flyer XD40 4456 for Metrobus at the Washington Auto Show. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.